Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to create multiple channels under one single Gmail account or YouTube account, right? For that we'll go on to our channel and click on this icon and you can see this view your channel, switch your account. I will click on this. You can see there is an add account view all channels. I'll just click on this. Now you can see I can just create a channel. I will just give a name, maybe tech with Saave, right? You can select any picture. Right now I don't have any picture. I will just select a random one and I will create channel. Now you can see this, a new channel has been created and this is under the same account. And you can see over here you can click on switch account and you can switch between these two accounts. So you don't have to like create a new Gmail ID, you don't have to create any other thing, but the important point is you should have a different brand identity, and that should be used to setup. And so you can go over here and customize the channel completely the way we have done for this channel. You can see my existing videos, you can upload a logo, banner, description, update the settings of the channel, and that way you can set up this channel. You don't have to log in using a separate account or a separate tab window to control your accounts, manage your accounts, right? You can just switch account and that's all you have to do, right? So this is the way you can create multiple YouTube channels under a single account and then set up the same way all the settings of the channel. Remember, the settings won't replicate for this channel. You have to keep a new logo, description, complete all the stage 1 2 3 verification for the channel, so that you get all the rights and access and features for this channel as well. I hope this is useful. If you have any query, drop in the comment. If you're liking the video, do like the video and share it with your friends who are in their YouTube journey. Thanks for watching the video.